In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT Slow 2026 full guide. First, let's tackle the out of space for saved memories message. This warning is about your personalization list, the facts ChatGPT remembers about you across chats. Upgrading to a paid plan won't increase the number of core memory slots. Paid tiers may help prioritize fresher memories, but the storage limit itself doesn't expand. To truly free space, you need to manage what's stored. Click your profile icon in the bottom left open settings and head to the personalization tab. Select Manage, then use the trash can icon to remove outdated, duplicate, or irrelevant facts. You'll free up slots immediately, and your responses often feel snappier once memory pressure is reduced. Now, for a powerful workaround, profile consolidation. The memory cap is based on how many separate entries you have, not how long each one is. So compressing entries can reclaim a lot of capacity. In any chat, ask, provide a complete, detailed, bulleted report of every memory you have saved about me. Copy that result. Go back to Settings, Personalization, Manage, and choose Delete All to clear the fragmented list. Start a new chat and say, consolidate these facts into a single, highly structured user profile text block with zero fluff and commit this entire block to your memory. Paste the list beneath it. One organized entry can replace many scattered ones, cutting slot usage dramatically while keeping your essentials intact. If the interface lags during live streaming, your browser's local data may be the culprit. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and choose Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time and clear cookies and cached files. If you don't want to sign out of other sites, click the lock icon in the ChatGPT address bar, open cookies and site data, and delete data specifically for OpenAI.com and ChatGPT.com. Heavy chat threads also strain your system. Ask, summarize our entire conversation framework so far in detail so I can jump to a fresh chat. Copy that, open a new chat, paste it, and continue with a clean slate. While you're at it, close idle tabs to free up RAM. If browser hangs persist, install the native desktop app from chatgpt.com/download for optimized performance. Finally, if issues remain, check status.openai.com. If there's elevated latency or gateway degradation reported, you're seeing a global hiccup. If everything is green, the slowdown is local to your device or network. Keep your personalization lean, your cache clean, and your threads fresh, and you'll keep ChatGPT fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.